Hello everyone. Today I am presenting our presentation. Our subject is Leading Innovation and Change, and we are four members: Rajdeep Insa, me, Shikha, Amashi, and Ate. So now I am representing the organizational challenge. Slide 12304. So I'm start with slide 1. As we know, Amazon is recognized as one of the world's most innovative organizations. Today, it operates over 1 million robots across the fulfillment centers, and approximately 75% of customer deliveries are supported by robotics and artificial intelligence. While this has significantly improved organizational efficiency, it has also created major workforce challenges. Employee turnover remains almost twice the industry average. Workplace injury rates in robotic industry average. Workplace injury rates in robotic warehouse are higher, and employees have increasingly expressed concern about rapid AI implementation and job security. So now I'm talking about slide number 3, updated research and environmental analysis. We used the PASTEL framework to examine the external environment influencing Amazon automation strategy. From a political and a legal perspective, increasing workplace safety regulation require Amazon to better protect employees. Economically, Amazon has invested 2.5 billion US dollars into its future ready 2030 upskilling program, demonstrating its commitment to workforce development. Socially, employee concern about AI job security and union activity have increased resistance to automation. So now I'm representing the slide number 4. Updated research and environmental analysis, industry analysis. We then analyzed Amazon competitive environment using Porter 5 forces. Competitive rivalry is extremely high, with companies such as Walmart, Temu, and Shein investing heavily in automation and supply chain innovation. The threat of new entrant is relatively low because establishing a global logistic network requires enormous investment. Buyer power is high because customers expect low prices and extremely fast delivery. Supply power is moderate as Amazon depends on technology provide and a skilled workforce. So finally, substitute competition from other online retailers continues to increase. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Now I'll discuss Amazon's internal capability assessment using Thesis Dynamic Capabilities Framework. Amazon performs strongly in sensing opportunities by identifying emerging technologies early. It also performs well in seizing opportunities through rapid implementation of robotics and AI across its operations. However, the company's weakest capability is transformation. Amazon has struggled to change its organizational culture, redesign jobs, and support employees through technological change. This explains ongoing issues such as high employee turnover, workplace resistance, and low engagement. Overall, Amazon's greatest challenge is not adopting technology, it is transforming its workplace to fully support innovation. This internal analysis leads directly to our proposed innovation initiative. Based on these findings, our proposed solution is the human-robot collaboration model. The first pillar focuses on redesign jobs so that employees and robots complement each other's strengths rather than compete. The second pillar is workforce development through Amazon's Future Ready 2030 initiative, providing employees with the digital and technical skills needed for future work. The third pillar emphasizes employee participation by involving workers in automation decisions through workshops, feedback sessions, and collaborative problem solving. Together, these initiatives aim to provide productivity while increasing employee satisfaction, safety, and long term organizational sustainability. Next, I'll explain how this initiative can be implemented. To successfully introduce this initiative, we recommend a three-phase implementation plan. The first phase focuses on assessment and planning through employee consultation, workflow redesign, and pilot projects. The second phase introduces new job designs and training while monitoring employee engagement, productivity, and workplace safety. Finally, successful practices are scaled across the organization and embedded into leadership development and perform systems. Success will be measured using key performance indicators including turnover, safety, productivity, and employee satisfaction. Thank you.
Solanki, today I'm presenting the barriers, risk, and the resistance. Uh, Although the initiatives offers significant benefits, several barriers must be addressed. Employees must resist automatically due to the concern about job security and change uh, fatigues. A highly bureaucratic and performance-driven culture can also slow innovations. The operational risk. Operational risk includes labor disputes, safety concern, and employee turnover. Leadership's problems. Leadership must therefore balance efficiency with the employee well-being. Managing the resistance. Using quotas and the Schlinger's approach, communication participations and employee supports are essential to reducing the resistance. Thank you. Hello, my name is Ratik Solanki. Today I am presenting leadership's approaches, transformations leadership. The leadership approaches transformation leaderships. The successful implementation requires transformation leadership. Leadership must inspire a shared visions where the automatic benefits both employee and the organizations. They should encourage innovations, invest in employment developments, and create opportunity for the continuous learning. An equally important element is psychological safety. Employees need to feel comfortable sharing ideas, asking questions, and learning from mistakes without fear of punishment. When the leadership build trust and support collaborations, employees become active contributions to innovations rather than resisting change. Next slide is leadership approaches, adapting leaderships. Adaptive leaderships complements transformation leadership by the helping organization respond to complex change. De- deploying robots is a technical challenge, but changing organizational culture and employment behavior is a adaptive challenge. Leaders must listen to employees, reduce uncertainty through the transparent communication, and empower terms to develop new ways of working. Ultimately, successful workforce transformation depends as much on adaptive leadership as it does on technological innovations. The next slide is stakeholders engagement strategies.
Our stakeholder analysis highlights that successful innovation requires collaboration across the organization. Employees should participate in co-design workshop and receive ongoing training. Managers need leadership development to support change. Technology teams should continuously improve systems using employee feedback. Senior leadership must monitor business outcomes, while unions and regulators should be engaged through open communication and partnership. Effective stakeholders' engagement builds trust, reduces resistance, and increases the likelihood of successful implementation. Our proposal has developed significantly since stage 1. Initially, we focused mainly on identifying the automation and workforce adoption problem. Following additional research, we developed a practical human robot collaboration model supported by updated evidence and multiple theoretical frameworks. We also strengthen our recommendations by introducing a phased implementation plan, stronger leadership, strategies, and stakeholder engagement. Overall, our proposal has evolved from diagnosis to practical and evidence-based solution. In conclusion, Amazon's investment in automation has transformed its operations, but workforce adoption has not kept pace. Our human-robot collaboration model addresses this gap by combining technology with leadership, employee development, and organizational culture. Through transformational and adaptive leadership, effective stakeholder engagement, and a phased implementation strategy, Amazon can improve productivity while creating a safer, more engaged, and future-ready workforce. Ultimately, sustainable innovation is achieved when technology and people evolve together. Thank you for your listening.